Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. If you can call on this number, or you can WhatsApp us if you have any doubts, any mathematical queries or anything, or you can drop an email to our email ID, which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. Okay. So then you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, entrances, TIFR, NBHM, etc. So please feel free to contact us if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the ISI MTech QROR 2024 in the MCQ section, and the question is telling us that if cube root of x plus 5 minus cube root of x minus 5 is equals to 1, then what is the value of our x square? So there are four options here which are telling us 50, 51, 52 and 53. Okay, so let me solve it. So what can be done? Okay, so let us take our cube root of, sorry, let me write it here, cube root of this be a. Then our a cube will be x plus 5. Similarly, our cube root of x minus 5 is b. Then we can see that our b cube will be x minus 5. Okay. So what can be done after that? So let us take, let me write with another color. Yeah. So our a cube minus b cube, that will be x plus 5 minus x minus 5. Sorry. Yeah. Minus, so that will be plus. Yes, so we will get 10. And in this side, what can be done here? So we know the formula of our a cube minus b cube, so that will be a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We know that our a minus b is equals to 1, which is given in the question. So our a square plus ab plus b square is equals to 10. Again, we can see from our a minus b equals to 1 that our a can be b plus 1. So let us put it in this given equation. So we will get b plus 1 whole square plus b into b plus 1 plus b square is equals to 10. So we will get b square plus 2b plus 1 plus b square plus 1 plus b square is equals to 10. Then we will get 3b square plus 2, no, there will be b, yeah, 3b square plus 3b minus 9 is equal to 0 here. So we can write, after taking 3 from this side, and 0 by 3 is equals to 0, so we will get b square plus b minus 3 is equals to 0. So our b will be what? So we are now applying our Caesar-Acharya formula, which is known to us from very childhood. So our minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So our b is equals to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4 into a into c by 2a. So our b is equals to what? Minus half plus minus root over 1 minus 1 plus 12 by 2. So that is equals to minus 1 plus minus root 13. Okay, so after that, what can be done? So now we are going to find our value of x. So let me write with another color. Yeah. So our x minus 5 is equals to b cube. So that is equals to minus 1 plus minus root over 13 by 2 whole cube. Yeah, that's correct. So now what is this? This is, we are going to use the formula of our cube, which we know that means alpha plus beta whole cube is equals to alpha cube plus 3 alpha square beta and plus 3 alpha beta square plus b cube. Okay, so let me shift the screen from this side. Yeah, so now what can be done here? So firstly take us the plus sign, that means our bb minus 1 plus root 13 by 2. So firstly take us that. So our b cube will be what? B cube will be below will be 8. So there will be minus 1 plus 3 root 13 minus 3 plus, no, 3 root 13 not. So that will be root 13 whole square. So that will be, no, yeah, 3 root 13 and there will be 3 into 13 because our alpha is minus 1 here and our beta is equals to root 13 here. So our alpha q is minus 1. So 3 alpha square beta is our plus this and minus this will be, yeah, 3 into 13 and after that we will get plus 13 root 13. So our this will be 13 plus 3, that will be 16 root 13 by 8 minus, that will be 39 minus 1, so that will be 40 by 8. Okay, so that will be 2 root 13 minus 5. So our x minus 5 is equals to what? That is equals to our b cube, and when our b is equals to 1 minus 1 plus root 13 by 2, then our b cube is equals to 2 root 13 minus 5. So our x is equals to 2 root 13 then. So then our x square is equals to 4 into 13. So that will be 52. Again, we have to think about our minus case also. Okay, so let me check it. So if we get our, let me write with red color. Okay. So let our b is equals to minus 1 minus root 13 by 2. Then what will happen? Then our b cube will be by 8. So that will be minus 1 minus 3 root 13 minus 3 13 plus, sorry, that will again be minus 13 root 13. So then our b cube is that, then after that our b cube will be by 8 and our upper side will be minus this and our this will be 16 root 13. So our b cube will be minus 5 minus 2 root 13. So again I am telling that, so if we put the same thing again, so we will get x minus 5 here, so that is equals to this, so minus 5 and minus 5 will be cancelled out, so our x will be minus 2 root 13. So again our x square will be 52. So our 52 is the correct answer of this question. So Yeah, so our option C 52 is the correct answer of this question. So again, I am telling that if you have any mathematical query, any doubts, please feel free to contact us if you need any help from us. So that will be beneficial for you, and you can join our online sessions, our regular batches, and you can join our doubt clearing sessions also. So that will be beneficial for you. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.